Okay, guys, let's do this. Got one of my good friends on in the background listening. Who's not monitoring my page? I really don't know if she's monitoring my page or not. I just know she's not a subscriber. A lot of people that I monitor are not a subscriber. Look, a lot of people I monitor. A lot of people I look at are not subscribers. Ken coming at you from Ken.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird. True Phoenix. We getting ready to do the part where he asked, we already took off the, what do you call it? Valve body. There's a lot of juice in there, huh? And we can ready to take this off, I don't even know what that is. Then he said you could twist it out some kind of way. There you go. Let's see here. All right. Is there an up and down on this thing? Just take it and put it in a box. Put this in the box. Then he says to take this out. I do what do you call it? Uber Eats sometimes. And I like to see these people do their Uber Eats. They teach me some things. Let me get some leverage here. Let's see. I don't like working hard if I don't have to. Let's see. I think that she's playing that because it was Sunday when she went out, which was Easter Sunday. And I can't find what I'm looking for. I can't never find what I'm looking for. Now, I put that extension thing over here, somewhere in the corner over here, and I don't see it anywhere. Let's see. I don't know where it is, guys. I have no idea where it is. Let me see. I might be able to do this. All I'm trying to do is give myself some leverage. And without having to, kill myself. This ain't working. Doggone it, guys. See, I have a breaker bar over here, but I don't know what I did with those extension that keeps it, that reduces it down to my level. Never mind, I'll just muscle it off. I don't like doing that because I got a bad back. So whatever I need to do to keep my back from hurting, that's what I do. Now that guy said he never puts his stuff back in the slot. I'm guessing because he doesn't want to. Looks like there's a ball in there. And I guess that's how people, when they operate in the operating room, they don't want to, there's another bolt down there. I don't even think he mentioned that bolt down there, did he? I don't think he mentioned that bolt down there. I think he did. Well, he did loosen that up. He loosened that up and then pushed it back. That's what he did. So now I need to get my, I think he said a 15-inch box. Okay, I'll be right back, guys.